I have no personal interest in the matter. Let it be clear to you. The only interest is that I may learn something by hearing two learned senior counsels appearing for the rival party. That is the only interest I have, nothing more.
My learned counsel will, my learned brother will come to argue the matter. It is he who will argue the matter. Yes, my lord. My lord, he is a Supreme Court lawyer, my lord, and and very competent person, undoubtedly.
My respectful regards, it is
My lord, I accept that. And his arguments will have revealing also, my lord.
So let us start today. अगर आपको लगता है
आज नहीं साहब, आज नहीं करिए, आप कर दीजिए. My lord, I have to point out there are 7 similar cases. I will point out to your lordship the list. All these cases are identical in nature. They were dealt with earlier by the division bench. They are all together. Whether, my lord, under these circumstances, will it be proper to hear this one only?
I mean, if they are identical, then decision in this case can be followed in other cases.
in other cases also, but my instructions are not. I'm not aware, but then my instructions are that these
I'm
matters
giving
are
the
not
numbers.
identical. They are not identical.
Well, they are all identical.
But if they are identical, my lord, I think this decision will cover. But
Yes,
yes,
that is
all
what-
the cases need not be listed. And my lord, this is 2002 appeal, my lord. It's
Yes,
No, they are all 2002.
any-
Not this one only.
So why to keep this appeal held up?
yes.
I'll just give the number, my
आप
lord.
तो पहले भी अपियर हुए हैं, कभी आपने लिस्ट नहीं दिया कि ये these matters are required to be listed along with other cases. ये आप 24/2/2022 को अपियर हुए हैं.
In fact, these 3 appeals, my lords, were listed, I mean, some 2 weeks ago. And my lords, we all agreed that it would be heard today finally. September 13th, 2022.
On the request of learned counsel for the parties, list
Lord,
29.
I just give you a number, my lord.
नहीं, but why these numbers could not be furnished earlier?
अरे, कहाँ गया वो?
It's, with great respect, my lord, to Jaiswal Saab, my lord, I'm told that they are not identical.
My lord, I give the number.
Presuming they are identical, what he's saying is correct. There are two issues. One, that why these numbers were not given for almost 18 years of pendency,
Yes, absolutely.
that these cases are required to be listed. This is issue number one. Two, presuming they are identical, then whatever decision is taken in this case, whatever orders are passed in this case, they can either be followed in that case.
As a matter of fact, my lords, if I may say so, in this appeal also, my lords, there is a judgment of 2003 which entirely governs this appeal. My argument is going to be very short. Some basic facts, my lords, and the judgment of 2003 of this honorable court which became final. And my lord, that concludes the matter.
My lord,
I have only to show that judgment to your lordship.
my lord, capital policy, energy policy is the subject matter of consideration. In all the cases, my lord, I'll give the number. If your lordship wants, there are 7 cases.
I mean, there may
And
be
one is
number of
already
cases.
listed before Justice Trivedi.
नहीं, देखिए, पहली चीज, your this argument that one of the cases is listed before another bench is having no force. You are required to first satisfy me that I am able to see your presence in this matter from the beginning. Why this fact was not brought to the notice of the court that these matters are required to be listed for analogous hearing. The first appearance is 15/9/2005. Shri M.L. Jaiswal, Senior Advocate with Kumari Vandana Shrivastava, Counsel for the Appellant. Shri Aditya Adhikari, Counsel for Respondent number 1. Learned Counsel, Senior Counsel Shri M.L. Jaiswal stated that the matter has been referred to the larger bench in WP Itna Itna. Learned Senior Counsel's request for and are granted time to study situation. Now, then this case came before the bench on 25/1/2011 after 6 years. Shri Manoj Kushwaha, learned counsel for the appellant. Keeping in view the nature of dispute as has been cropped up in the matter, this court is of the considered opinion that the matter deserves an early hearing, therefore the application is allowed. Office is directed to post the matter for hearing in the week commencing 14/3/11. 17/11, Shri M.L. Jaiswal, Senior Advocate, with Shri Manoj Kushwaha, Shri Vijay Talsania, with Shri Satish Chaturvedi. List on 21/4/2011 along with MA 1419 of 2002. ये matters जो हैं,
Standalone matter, my lord. It's absolutely unconnected with the.
let us hear it if you.
My lord, I'll give the number to your lordship.
Numbers to ले लीजिए.
Number are, my lord, MP number 976 of 2005.
जी.
Jayaprakash Industries versus MPB. MA number 1882 of 2002.
1882 of 2002.
Of 2002.
जी.
Grasim Industries, my lord,
जी.
versus MPB. MA number 1938 of 2002.
जी.
Indorama Industries versus MPB.
जी.
MA number 437 of 2003, STI India versus MPB.
जी.
MA number 1169 of 2002, Diamond Cement versus MPB.
जी.
And WP number 2793 of 2003,
WP
Triveni
number 2793 of 2002.
2003, my lord.
2003.
WP number 27952 of 2003. This is, my lord, Triveni Silton International versus MP. And this last case is already listed, my lord, before Justice Trivedi.
How we are concerned
Yes,
with
my-
this issue is simple. You as a custodian of the energy requirements of various stakeholders, this is a matter having a direct impact on industrialization of this state,
Absolutely, my lord. That's the.
development of this state. Why you are interested in dragging this matter? You should be the one to get this matter decided either way. Either you succeed,
No,
your monopoly is maintained, or
my lord, the question is captive generation policy, my lord, 2001.
yes,
And your lordship needs to see the new act came into force in 2003.
yes,
And my lord, under the new act, my lord, under the new act, my lord, the generation has become free. My lord, what is the, so that the earlier liabilities, because my lord, under the orders, captive generation policy, in case they install any captive generation plant, they'll have to, my lord, avail 50% of the requirement from board, my lord. Now all those, my lord, years, my lord, prior to coming into force, the regulations have been framed, and my lord, so, my lord, under these circumstances, your lordship will have to hear the whole matter in detail.
I'm ready to hear it.
No,
इसीलिए तो अभी दो
I
तीन
have no
केसेस जो है
objection
छोटे
to
छोटे
that.
उनको
My lord,
भारत बोर्ड से डिक्टेट
just
नहीं कराया.
pointed out, my lord,
जी. तो आपको तो पूरी तैयारी, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स.
हाँ, my lord. And it will take
क्या
time, my
फिर
lord.
क्या हेजिटेशन है आज बहस करने में?
My lord, your
So the
lordship,
captive power policy, my lord, triggered several disputes, my lord, various kind of disputes. This is one particular set of dispute, my lord, where it is whether, my lord, we can be compelled to draw 50% of the power from the board, my lord, compulsory. And he said, my lord, if there is any such condition in the policy, it can be imposed on us, my lord. This honorable court has decided it conclusively in Maher Cement's case that such a condition is ultra vires. It has no sanction of law. It is against public interest. It is arbitrary. That's our contention, and they're insisting the same condition on us. And the SLP, my lord, preferred against that, has been dismissed by the Supreme Court, by them.
I'm not aware of the judgment. You know.
2003 का जजमेंट है आपको कौन brief कर रहा है? Who's briefing you?
My learned senior appeared for the board, my lord,
I don't appear for the board, my lord.
He has everything about
every
the board on his fingertips.
Do you think it's not?
That's the beauty of it. When I was a lawyer, I appeared.
Absolutely, my lord. We all learned it, my lord, at his feet. At his lotus feet, my lord.
Very long adjournment. My lord, I just want all those cases be listed together, my lord. And your lordship will hear next week. I have no objection to it.
I will have objection to clubbing it, my lord, then it becomes an ocean, my lords, and we will be lost in that ocean. I don't know how deep we will be drowned. Let this matter be kept, my lord, heard separately, my lord, that's all. This matter is a standalone case on its own facts, covered by a judgment. We do not know the facts of those cases. And WP's, my lords, in any can't be similar because this is an appeal against the order of the MP, SREC.
Yes.
It's a
State
statutory
regulatory
appeal.
authority.
Statutory appeal. So, my lord, WPs can't be similar to this, my lords, in any
It
case.
is similar to this. I'm telling you, I'm making a
Yes.
statement of the bar.
My lord, there's
चलिए
two-
एक मिनट के लिए even if they are similar to it, let us hear only those cases which originate from the orders of state electricity regulatory authority.
That's right.
Let us flesh out that issue.
What happened, my lord? In one of the cases, the Regulatory Commission happened to review the order. Then, my lord, the W petition had got to be filed. My lord, I mean, something like this, my lord. That is what in WP is.
This is the case. This is the case in which, my lord, the commission reviewed its order partially, and they have filed appeal 216, my lord, which is listed today.
Yes, yes.
Is that appeal, my lords? It's not a repetition. It's listed before your lordship today.
बताइए जयसवाल
नेक्स्ट
साहब
वीक कर दीजिए सर. अब हमको कोई, आई एम नॉट एनी टाइम लॉन्ग एडजस्टमेंट. My lord, I just want to all these cases will be listed together, my lord, so that every time, my lord, the whole argument will have to advance, and whether, my lord, they will be the other bench, my lord. whether it
I am
will-
not concerned with I have no personal interest in the matter. Let it be clear to you. The only interest is that I may learn something by hearing two learned senior counsels appearing for the rival
Lord,
party.
sir.
That is the only interest I have, nothing more.
My learned counsel will, my learned brother will come to argue the matter. It is he who will argue the matter. Yes, my
But,
lord.
but,
He, my lord, he is
Jaiswal sahab,
a Supreme Court lawyer, my lord, and
no,
very
not at all.
and very competent person, undoubtedly.
My lords, my respectful regards at his
My
feet.
lord, I accept that. And his arguments will have
I have-
revealing also, my lord.
So let us start today. अगर आपको लगता है
आज नहीं साहब, आज नहीं करिए, आप कर दीजिए. Because, my lord, I was just pointing out to your lordship.
ये बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है जयसवाल साहब.
One thing your lordship
Can
may
I
do.
make one
My
suggestion?
lord, I just
नहीं वो आपको सजेशन दे रहे हैं, आप ही के पक्ष में देंगे. कुछ सजेशन दे रहे हैं.
हाँ, आप ही के पक्ष में. Can I just give a brief and then you may continue the next whenever the next thing. Can I start and then?
बताइए आपकी अगर अनुमति हो तो let him start. Let us have an overview of the thing. इससे we will also have thought for food कि भैया क्या पढ़ना है, क्या देखना है. And फिर आप next day you continue.
I'll continue the next date of hearing
हाँ next day.
because tomorrow is the last day.
नहीं नहीं tomorrow नहीं. It will be somewhere after the Shera vacation.
What a difference does it make? Whether your lordship partly hear this matter today
नहीं नहीं
and partly on that day will not make any difference.
हम भी तो यही कह रहे हैं. Let him begin.
My lord, whatever submission I had to meet, this is my lord's pleasure. Whatever your lordship will obey it. You have to obey it.
स्टार्ट करिए.